the 2018 Porsche Panamera Constellation. They'll go by the moniker Sport Turismo, and they'll be distinguishable from the outside by their shooting brake profile, which involves a longer roofline, a larger rear quarter window, a fatter D-pillar, and a more upright but still rakish hatch glass. That hatch now drops well down into the bumper, so the Louis Vuittons only have to be hoisted 24.7 inches up onto the cargo deck. The new hatch also trades the fastback Panamera's cool lifts and separates rear wing for a spoiler located above the hatch glass. This one is also integrated into the Porsche Active aerodynamic system. It starts out at an angle of -7 degrees, then rises to 1 degree at 105 miles per hour in normal mode or at 55 miles per hour in Sport or Sport Plus modes. In this position it applies up to 110 pounds of downforce to the rear axle. Open the pano roof above 55 miles per hour, and the spoiler rises to 26 degrees to reduce wind noise. The Sport Turismo treatment is available with every all-wheel drive powertrain except the top Turbo S E-Hybrid, and it is only available in the standard wheelbase. Air suspension is standard on all Sport Turismos. There might be some variation in standard equipment specifications, too, as the price differential varies between models. The 330 horsepower turbo V6 Panamera 4 Sport Turismo starts at $97,250, up $6,600. The 456 horsepower turbo V6 PHEV4 E-Hybrid opens at $105,050, a $4,400 premium. The 440 horsepower twin-turbo V6 4S goes for $110,250, plus $9,300, and the 550 horsepower twin-turbo V8 Panamera Turbo Sport Turismo commands $155,050, $7,100 over. Dealers are taking orders now for deliveries expected to start at the end of 2017.